From the drafting boards of the world's largest automobile manufacturer, from the assembly lines that bring forth America's greatest automobile value, from the proving grounds that test the ruggedness of the nation's #1 motor car buy, comes the brilliantly new Chevrolet 452. Here's brilliant new beauty, new body colors and combinations, with striking color-matched interiors. Here's brilliant new smoothness with center poise power. Chevrolet's valve and head engine suspended from new high-side mountings, centered, poised, insulated to give a velvet smooth driving sensation. Even Chevrolet's famous knee action ride is improved by new quick reflex shock absorber action, providing a smoother, more restful ride. See the brilliantly new models at your Chevrolet dealers. You'll be money ahead from the start, value ahead through the miles, ahead all the way with Chevrolet.